Are you looking for a smart home security solution? Meet the Blink Mini 2 and its powerful family of indoor and outdoor cameras. These devices make securing your home easy and efficient. The Blink Mini 2 is a second-generation plug-in smart security camera. It keeps you connected to your home from anywhere, right from your smartphone. Enjoy 3 unique benefits: HD video streaming, advanced motion detection, and smart notifications. These features help you monitor your home effortlessly. Set it up in minutes. Plug it in and connect it to your Wi-Fi. The Blink app guides you through the installation process, making it hassle-free. Use the Blink Mini 2 to enhance your home security and pet monitoring. Check on your furry friends or keep an eye on suspicious activity, all in real time. Our customers rave about them. The Blink Mini helped me feel safe while away from home, says one user. Another shares, setting up was so easy, even my grandma could do it. Key takeaways: Blink cameras offer 1080p HD video, two-way audio, and customizable motion alerts. Plus, you can save recordings in the cloud with a subscription plan. Don't wait. Enhance your home security today with Blink Mini cameras. Visit Amazon.com to purchase and experience peace of mind every day.